In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a strong base for your garden shed that's portable. Take the measurements from the base of your shed, cut down some 3x2 tannalised timber, mark up where they're going to be fixed, drill some pilot holes, apply some multi-use glue on the edges of the cut timber, drive 2 large 4-inch screws through the outside timber into each strut. Depending on how big your shed is, you want to have a strut about every 450mm apart. I'm going to apply 2 more pieces of 3x2 timber either side to add to the strength and to hold the 4 corner wheels in place. I'm adding 2 further noggins on the inside which will also support the wheels. I'm using 6 wheels, 1 at all 4 corners and 2 in the centre. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole first, place a washer on the end and drive that in with your screwdriver. I'll turn this over and place the shed base onto the top. If you want to see more how-to videos, like and follow us on TikTok.